lit the sky without a crack or boom. No rain to chase, no clouds to loom. A silent flash, a quiet glow. We burned so bright, the world didn't know. No thunder spoke, no winds to warn. We were lightning with no storm. Electric love, no chaos to follow. High voltage hearts, never hollow. We danced in sparks, so rare, so true. Lightning with no storm, just me and you. We didn't need the noise, the fight, just the charge in your eyes, the endless light. No jagged edges, no breaking sound, only the hum of a love profound. No shadows fell, no skies were torn.